Sawblade.com is pushing the limits of design, innovation, and durability with our bandsaw upgrade guide kits. Hi, I'm product specialist Leslie, and this is the Delta 20-inch AB Guide Upgrade Kit. Raise the bar on what your bandsaw is capable of, master those difficult, intricate cuts, and get the dependability and support you need to take on any project. This is an easy-to-install, economical, and dynamic solution that you've been searching for. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides and is perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of a solid, high-grade aluminum and utilizes performance-based ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with two front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All three bearings are fully adjustable to an unmatched accuracy in a variety of bandwidths. This Delta 20-inch AB guide kit is adjustable for blades 3/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch, and older bandsaw models with guides that mount perpendicular to the blades. This heavy-duty kit comes complete with proper mounting hardware, lower and upper machine guides, blocks, and precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all your Delta aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you and enhance your cutting performance, check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop in confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Leslie, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markups, no problem. Go direct.